These are the 5 things you need to know about building strong forearms with dumbbells. And if you're a beginner, make sure you don't skip number 3. It matters a lot. And the best part? You only need dumbbells. No fancy equipment, no weird machines. First up, wrist curls, the king of forearm flexor strength. Sit down, rest your forearms on your thighs, palms facing up, and curl only your wrists. Slow up, slower down. This builds the front of your forearm, the part that pops when you flex. Number 2, reverse wrist curls. Palms facing down. This targets your extensors, the top part of your forearm that gives it shape and prevents wrist injuries. Your wrist should move, nothing else. Beginner tip, this muscle group is weaker, so use lighter weight than in exercise number 1. Number 3, hammer curls. Here's the one beginners should never skip. Hammer curls or hammer holds. Why is this so important? Because this hits the brachioradialis, the thick outer forearm muscle that makes your arms look instantly bigger and more powerful. Neutral grip, curl up, or hold at 90 degrees to light your forearms on fire. Number 4, now we go functional, the farmer's carry. Pick up the heaviest dumbbells you can hold and start walking. This builds real-world grip strength and forearm density like nothing else. If your grip gives out before your legs do, good, that means it's working. Number 5, last one, finger curls. Hold the dumbbells, let them roll down your fingers, then curl them back into your palm. This builds the small, deep grip muscles that help you hold on to bars, dumbbells, or anything heavy. Here's how to put all 5 exercises together. Forearm circuit, wrist curls, 15 reps. Reverse wrist curls, 15 reps. Hammer curls, holds, 12 reps or 20 seconds. Farmer's carry, 30 seconds. Finger curls, 15 reps. Repeat it for 2 to 3 rounds and 2 to 3 times per week. Do this consistently and your forearms will grow, guaranteed. If you want stronger lifts, better grip, and forearms that look like they mean business, start doing these 5 dumbbell exercises. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Major Muscles, and tell me in the comments which body part you want next. Train smart, grip stronger, become major.